students, welcome to your online class. This is your English class, okay, and today our topic is at the zoo, okay, lesson number 3 and page number 31, okay, page number 31, chapter number 3, and our topic name is, chapter name is at the zoo, okay. So let's start our today's class, okay. First of all, I will tell you about zoo. What is zoo? Which animals are in the zoo, okay. Which animals are found in the zoo, I will tell you, and then we will start our chapter, okay. So let's start. First of all, let us learn about zoo, okay. Now what is zoo? Zoo is a place where animals are kept, okay, or we can say zoo is a place in which animals are housed within enclosures, okay, or animals are cared in the zoo and displayed to the public, okay. Display means like something that something in a place where people will see it, okay. Like that animals, they kept animal in that place in the zoo where people will see it, okay, or it will attract attention. If we are going to the zoo, then why we are going? We are going to see the animals. Why they in the zoo they kept animals, okay. Which type of animal they kept in the zoo? They kept wild animals, okay. They kept wild animal in the zoo, so people they go into the zoo to see that animals, okay. So they display the animals to see public, okay. Public will see the animals, so that's why they display the animals, okay. Now zoo is a place where all types of animals are confined and displayed for the public to see, okay. Now confined means a limited portion, okay, limited partition of the place, okay. In that small place they kept one animal, okay. There are varieties of animal in the zoo. They kept so many animals, so they cannot kept all the animal in one place. They kept animals in the different places, okay. So they confine all the animals and display for the public to see, okay. Means they kept in a very small place, okay. They kept one animal in that space, means that small space, and they display to the public, okay. Display means where public can see, okay. To put something in a place where people will see it, okay. So they kept animal in that place where people will see it, okay. Now zoo gives people an opportunity to observe animals they would never otherwise get the chance to see. Zoos gives people an opportunity. Now opportunity means a situation or a time, okay, in which it is possible to do something that you would like to do, okay. Opportunity means if you want to see the animals, okay, then if you are going to the zoo, that is your opportunity to see that animal that you cannot see otherwise, okay. So it is giving you a chance to see that animals. So opportunity means opportunity we also can say as chance. Okay, so we get chance to observe animals that would never otherwise get the chance to see. Okay, opportunity, that's a time. Okay, a time in which it is possible to do something that you would like to do. That means that you like to see the animals, then you can see the animals at the zoo. Okay, there are hundreds of zoo all over the world. Now all over the world there are hundred of zoo. Okay, zoos have many different animals and create special habitats for them that are similar to where they would live in the wild. Okay, now I have told you, right, that animals, that wild animals, they live in the zoo, they kept in the zoo to display to the people. Okay, now habitat means place that is natural for the life and growth of an organism. Okay, now habitat means they create that environment in the zoo that animals, like that animals who are living in the zoo, they feel that they are living in the jungle. Okay, animals where they live in the jungle. So people who are working in the zoo, they create that special habitat for that animals. Okay, that they feel that they are living in the jungle. Okay, so zoos have many different animals and create special habitat for them that are similar to where they would live in the wild. Okay, so these all are about zoo. Okay, now let us see which animals are live in the zoo. Okay, now let us see which animals are lived in the zoo. Okay, now animals who live at the zoo, they call as zoo animals. Okay, ZOO zoo animals, ANIMALS, animals. Okay, zoo animals. Now there are so many different types of animals that are live in the zoo. Now let us see some name of that animal who are live in the zoo. Okay, animals like kangaroo, monkey, tiger, panda, alligator, bear, lion and zebra, etc. Okay, now this type of animals, they are live in the zoo. Okay, these all animals are wild animals. Okay, so this type of animal we can see at the zoo. Okay, when we visit to the zoo, we can see this all animals. Okay, otherwise we cannot see. Okay, because they live in the jungle. Okay, and we cannot go to the jungle, right? So if we want to see these animals, we have to go to the zoo. Okay, zoo, the place where animals kept. Okay, zoo is a place where many animals and birds live. Okay, they live in the closed areas in the zoo and the visitors can see the animals from the outside of the space. Okay, now there are people who take care of the animals. Okay, zoo provide the animals and birds with the best care. They care of the animals. Okay, there are so many people also who cares of these animals. Okay, the authorities of the zoo make sure that animals or the visitors of the zoo are not harmed in any way. Okay, so that's why they live in the closed area. The animals who live in the zoo, they live in the closed area where people only can see from the outside. Okay, if we come inside, then animal will harm that people. So that's why they see the animals from the outside of that space. Okay, and the visitors are not harmed. Okay, the people who visit to the zoo, they will not harm if we will see animals from the outside. Okay, so these are the animals you can see in the picture. Kangaroo, Kangaroo, kangaroo. Monkey, Monkey, monkey. Tiger, Tiger, tiger. Panda, Panda, panda. Alligator, Alligator, alligator. Bear, Bear, bear. Lion, Lion, lion. And zebra, Zebra, zebra. Okay, these all animals are wild animals. Okay, and these animals are also live in the zoo. Okay, they kept in the zoo. So these all are about zoo. Now let's start our chapter. Okay, let's start our today's topic, that is at the zoo. The story about Manu and his family. Okay, let's start. Now let us start our topic at the zoo. Okay, we all learned about the zoo, right? How zoo animals are kept, we have learned, right? Now let us learn, let us see the story about the zoo. Okay, now it is Sunday. Manu and his dog Sport are playing. Manu, the name of the boy who is playing with his dog, and the name of that dog is Sport. Okay, Spot, Sport. Sport is the dog of Manu. Okay, you can see in the picture the boy is playing with the dog. Okay, that boy is Manu and the dog is Sport. They both are playing with ball. Okay, in which day? In Sunday. Okay, they playing in the Sunday. Okay, now when they are playing, that their father come. Okay, the Manu's father comes. Okay, and what he said, what father said? Fathers come and says, we are going to the zoo today. Okay, father comes and say, we are going to the zoo today. After listening this from his father, Manu was so happy. Okay, Manu says, yippee, I am happy. Okay, Manu was so happy that he was expressing his happiness. Okay, by saying yippee. If we are happy, then we also say, right, yahoo, yippee, like this we say, right? So Manu also says, yippee, I am happy, because Manu was very happy after listening that he is going to the zoo. Okay, and the dog Sport, that dog was also very happy, and what he said, Sport says woof woof, because he cannot say like us. So in the language of dog, the Sport says woof woof. Okay, because the dog was also very happy because he is also going to the zoo. Okay, and little Mita is happy too. Little Mita, who is Mita? Mita is the sister of Manu. Okay, Manu's sister. So he is little, and you can see in the picture that the girl who is sitting in his father's shoulder, she is Mita. Okay, and she is happy too because they all are going to the zoo. Okay, now let us see next. After listening that they are going to the zoo, what Manu did? Manu takes his bat and ball. Okay, Manu takes his bat and ball. Okay, to going to the zoo. Okay, they are going to the zoo and they are going to play at the zoo. So Manu takes his bat and ball with him. Okay, and what Sports takes? Sport, the dog of Manu. What he takes? Sport takes his rubber bone. Okay, you can see in the picture the Sport, what he is taking in his mouth. It is rubber bone. Okay, so Sport takes his rubber bone, and little Mita takes her doll. Little Mita takes her doll. Okay, so they were very happy that they are going to the zoo because they are going to see so many different types of animals. So they cannot control themselves, that they are very happy. So they are very ready. Manu takes his bat and ball, Sport takes his rubber ball, little that Mita also takes her doll with her. Okay, now they cannot wait to get into the car. They are going with their car. Okay, so they cannot wait to get into the car for going to the zoo. Okay, but where are mummy and daddy? Okay, they are very busy to taking his things. What they are taking, they are very busy with them. Okay, but where are mummy and daddy? What they are doing? Okay, here are given question mark. It means they are asking that where are mummy and daddy. Now let's see where are mummy and daddy. Mummy and daddy are busy packing food. Okay, mummy and daddy are busy on packing food because they are going for a picnic. So what they need there? They need food to eat. Okay, so they are busy in that packing food. Okay, see, you can see in the basket so many foods are there, fruits are there, sandwiches are there, and so many other things they are taking with them. So they are busy in packing food. Okay, mummy and daddy are busy packing food. They get into the car. After the packing food, they all get into the car and they are so happy that they are going to the zoo. Okay, now after getting into the car start and it sound vroom. Okay, when the car starts, the sound of starting car, it sound like vroom. Okay, and they went to the zoo. The car takes them to the zoo. Okay, when the car starts and they start and the car takes them to the zoo. Okay, they reach, it means they reach at the zoo. Now let's see what they did after reaching the zoo. Now, after when they reached at the zoo, what they saw? They saw a tiger. Okay, at the zoo, first they saw a tiger who is asleep. Okay, at the zoo, tiger is asleep. Okay, now the tiger who is sleeping, he is making sound. Okay, he makes some sound. He is snoring. Okay, because he is sleeping, he is snoring very loudly. Okay, and making some sound like z. Okay, this type of sound, that when the tiger sleep, the sound he makes is very loud sound. Okay, he make very loud sound. Okay, so they see a tiger who is sleeping and snoring. Okay, and they, after the tiger, what they listen birds chirp. Okay, tweet, tweet, tweet. Okay, the birds chirps, like the birds was also making sound. Okay, a very sharp sound. Okay, tweet means a small birds making sound. Okay, small birds who making sound, we say tweet. We say it as tweet. Okay, a sharp sound made by small birds. Okay, so in the at the zoo, the birds was sharp. Okay, okay, and the lion roars. Lion roars. When lion roars, it's so loud. Okay, every people will scare with the lion. Why? Because we say that lion is the king of jungle. Okay, and when they live at the zoo also, the tiger is live like as a king. Okay, when that lion roars, it's very loud sound that every people and every animal scare with the tiger. Okay, so when they saw that lion was roaring. Okay, make roars, roar, roar. Okay, and the lion cubs try to roar. Okay, the lion cub means the baby lion. Okay, the baby lion tries to roar. Okay, like lion. The baby lion tries to roar at the zoo, and the snake goes hiss. Okay, the sound when the snake pass, he make sound. Okay, so what sound he make? Hiss. Okay, the snake goes hiss. Okay, and the monkey waves his long tail. Okay, they saw a monkey was sitting in the tree and waving his long tail. Okay, and playing at the tree. Okay, the monkey was playing and waving his long tail. So the Manu and his family, what he saw, that these all animals. Okay, the tiger was sleeping, the birds were chirping. Okay, the lions are roaring, lion cubs are try to roar, the snake goes. Okay, the monkey waves his tail. These all things they saw at the jungle. Okay, the crocodile shakes his tail. Okay, there at the zoo there was crocodile also. Okay, and the crocodile shakes his tail. Okay, the elephant lift his long nose. Okay, they saw that elephant was lifting his long nose. Elephant has a long nose, right? So the elephant lift his long nose. Okay, what a fun they all have. Okay, can you imagine that they are seeing so many such type of animals that we cannot see uh, normally. Okay, these are all wild animals that only found in the jungle, but they went to the zoo so they can see, they can show this all animals, they saw these all animals at the zoo. So what a fun they all have that day. Okay, they saw so many animals at that day, so that's how they spend their day. Okay, everyone was happy by reaching at the zoo. Okay, so these are the our today's chapters. Okay, so we have completed our chapter. Now after this we will see the animals and their babies. Okay, what animals baby called. Okay, we know some animals but we don't know the baby animals name. So today let's see the baby animals name. Okay, animals and their babies. Animals and their babies. Now there are so many types of animals and their babies, but we know the name but we don't know the name of the baby, what we call that baby. Now let's learn the animals and their babies name. Okay, animals name and their babies name. So our first animal is lion. Lion is the king of jungle. Okay, lion is the king of jungle. Lion, lion. And do you know the baby lions we call as cub. Cub, cub. Lion, lion. Lion is the animal, and the baby lion we call as cub. Cub, cub. Now our next animal is cat. Cat, cat. Now cat we all know, we also kept this cat at our home as a pet animal. Okay, cat is a domestic animal, so we can keep cat with us. So okay, cat is a pet animal. But do you know the cat baby's name? We call cat baby as a kitten. Okay, cat baby, kitten. Kitten, kitten. Cat, cat, and baby is kitten. Kitten, kitten. Okay. Now next animal is dog. Dog, dog. Now dog is also a domestic animal. Okay, dog also can live with humans. Okay, because dog is a domestic animals. Okay, now the baby dog we call as puppy. Okay, Puppy, puppy. Dog, puppy. Puppy. Okay, next animal is cow. Cow, cow. And baby cow we call calf. Calf, Calf, calf. Okay, cow and calf. Cow, Calf, calf. Calf is a baby cow. Okay, next is sheep. H double E P, sheep. S H double E P, sheep. And the baby sheep we call as lamb. Baby sheep we call as lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. Okay. Now our next animal is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. And the baby horse we call foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Baby horse is known as foal. The name of baby horse is foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Okay. Now our next animal is deer. D-double-E-R, deer. D-double-E-R, deer. And baby deer is fawn. Okay, baby deer name is fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. Okay, deer and baby deer is fawn. Next animal is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. And the baby duck name is duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Duck, duckling. Okay. Next is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. And baby monkeys are called infant. I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. Okay. Now the next is butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Okay. Now butterfly baby, the baby butterfly we call as caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R, caterpillar. Okay, baby butterfly we call as caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R, caterpillar. Okay. So these are the animals and their babies. Okay, animals name and their babies name. Okay, we have learned today animals and their babies name. Okay, now let us revise one more time the animals and their babies name. Like lion and the baby is cub. Cat, kitten. Dog, puppy. Cow, calf. Okay, sheep, lamb. Horse, foal, deer, fawn, duck, duckling, monkey, infant, butterfly and caterpillar. Okay, these are the animals and their babies name. Okay, so students, we have completed our today's class. Okay, we have learned today about zoo. Okay, we have learned the animals name, that which animals are lived in the zoo. Okay, and the animals and their babies name, and we have completed our today's chapter, that is at the zoo. We have learned that Manoj and his family went to the zoo, how they went, what they take with them. Okay, so these are all our today's class. Okay, so hope you all enjoy our class today. So let us stop here today. Okay, bye bye.